This is just a quick update on the Digital Green Certificate following the conclusion yesterday of negotiations between the European Parliament and the Member States. I'm just going to outline some of the features of that agreement. First of all, there is a recommendation that antigen testing will be part of the certification process, which is good. Secondly, it will be free of charge, and the European Commission are providing a fund of €100 million to be distributed among Member States in order to keep the cost of PCR testing as low as possible. The third feature is that there is a 6-week transition period which Member States can avail of if they wish to. But even in that period, there will be recognition of other countries' certificates. So that will mean there will be people coming to Ireland even if we're not ready to issue certificates ourselves, and that's good for tourism, hospitality and aviation. It's also worth remembering that we're still in negotiations with the US and the UK about recognition of their certificates of vaccination. And the final thing to mention is that it will be up to Member States to decide whether to recognise a single vaccination dose where there's a second one waiting. In other words, it'll be a matter for each Member State to decide whether to recognise that. So this is a really positive development because it opens up freedom of movement within the EU for EU citizens at the earliest possible time. And it is incredible how quickly this has gone from a proposal on the 17th of March to hopefully a regulation at the end of June.